So let's do that. Download the template. Now, please note, if your employee data is already in the system, the name and email addresses will be there. And then there will be some samples. This is the sample data. Okay, so you can put annual leave and the start and end. This is to import the leave applications they have made. Sorry, I forgot to mention this. Okay, there are two type of imports. Import user leaves. That means their leave application records. This is to import their balance. So normally you should be importing, let's say you are importing the data, you're doing the data migration, you first need to import the leave records, that is the user leave. Then you import the leave balance so that it matches. Okay, if you will do the other way around. Let's say you import the balance first and then you import the leave records. The system will do a bit of problem for you. And I'm sure you try it, you will know it. Okay? Try it on your own account. Don't do that with client's account, please. Yeah. So another thing I just want to remind you, whenever you're going to try something, you do it on your own demo account. If your demo or the accounts that you have created, these you should be able to get it renewed from me or Piyush or Erika or Devisha or even Anston. So if you guys don't know them, let me know. I will extend your trial. Like I think Anna gave me the account detail and I activated for her. Right. So you just let me know the email address and I will extend your trial period to a year or something. So you can keep trying before you advise anything to the client. Trust me, guys, the client look at you guys as expert of Carbonate system. When they come to you, that means they are considering you an expert already. So you need to ensure the information you're going to give to your client, it is 100% accurate. Like, do not, like, remember the first thing I said, like on the first day when we started this, if I am the source of all the information right now, if I will give you any wrong information, you will learn it incorrect. And then it will not stop there. It will go out to the market, to the clients. So imagine the impact that you guys are creating. And then the client will get frustrated after, like, you're saying something, the client the trying the same thing, but the result is not the same. Right, the result meaning like they wanted the result to be. So they will get frustrated with it. So please ensure that you give the right information. Try it within your demo account. It was a small thing, I could have forgotten about it, but I thought it is important to tell you there are two type of imports and we are working on user records import. It's really simple. You put the leave type, you put the duration, AM and PM, meaning first and second half of the day, full day means full, and then the start and date, and if there are any start time, start period, and date, end period, then the deductible. Even if you will not put these appear normally if you have hourly leave application enabled. If you have like 1 hour, 2 hour leave, time off kind of concept, then you have to put this. If you will leave this and empty, perfectly fine, no harm done. But this is important. You need to put deductible, full day or half day or X number of days. Okay, whatever you're applying for, let's say Friday to Monday, there are 4 calendar days, but you only work 5 days a week. Saturdays and Sundays are off for you. So how many will be deductible? 2 will be deductible. So you'll put that number here. Now, if you are going to import and then you feel like creating more and more different types, you always can insert and you can put the label of the leave and that leave application that you're going to import. But before doing this, you need to ensure that the person you are going to import it for has the entitlement or the type of leave given to this employee. If, for example, this employee over here does not have that type of leave that you are going to import for this employee, it will be dropped. It will not be added into the system. Right now, let's say this person never had off in lieu, or I will just make up one. Annual leave, let's say carry forward, which is not here. And if I will import that into this, that data will not be here. This employee needs to have that label over here in this list. If it's for quite a number of people, you will do it from the settings. If it's only one individual or a couple of individual, it depends if you want to create within the settings, and then you want to do um, this exclusive for few employees. I believe I gave you an example of this. If somebody is already married, why would you give them marriage or wedding leave, right? So you create and then you select the people who you want to allocate it to. So please ensure that you have that leave type, whatever you type here, is the same exact ditto copy entitled to them. Same way, date format, please take care of it. If you want to, you can select both at the same time. Go to cell format, go to custom, dd, YYYY, okay? And then it will be changed. If you will select multiple, it will apply. I hope you have better skills in Excel than me. Then it should not be a problem for you. And you guys are data migration fellows normally who are looking at it, so you should have better Excel skills than me.